by pulling out the country's membership in the International Criminal Court or ICC. Then former President Rodrigo Duterte believed he had put an exclamation point to any potential threat of holding him to account for his alleged extrajudicial slayings that marked his war on illegal drugs, or so he thought. Ironically, a majority of Filipinos believe it is high time the country rejoin the ICC, so leaders like the former president are deterred from pursuing a platform of impunity and acts of abuse, as our Harley Valbuena reports.
Some of the crimes na committed dito sa Pilipinas is talagang heavy siya or talagang nagagawa siya na na-apekto yung karamihan, and I believe na yung ICC talaga, they are more knowledgeable and mas equip sila ng mga knowledge na kailangan natin sa Pilipinas.
Sobrang laki tulong na ICC sa Philippines. Hindi wala silang sinasanto. Like lahat talaga ng may mali, iniimbestigahan nila.
These are the sentiments of some individuals on question as to whether the Philippines should rejoin the International Criminal Court. Their answers reflect the result of Okta Research survey, where it shows majority of Filipinos favor returning to the ICC. In a tugon ng masa survey, 57% of the respondents agree the country should rejoin ICC. In Balance Luzon, 67% favor going back to the ICC, 64% in Metro Manila, 62% in Visayas, and 30% in Mindanao. Moreover, majority of the respondents in all age groups also agree in rejoining ICC. Okta Research President Ranjit Rai said the survey can be a basis for President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to commence the process of Philippines' reinstatement with the ICC. He added this will show the world the Philippines prioritizes protecting human rights and promoting and preserving the rule of law. Thus, the Okta Research chief is hoping that rejoining the ICC will be one of the promises of President Marcos in his upcoming SONA.
He has to make the first move. Should start discussing this in the SONA. Should make this a SONA issue. This will be a legacy also of the administration, that it clearly breaks from the past administration in its policy with regards to rule of law and rights protection.
Malacanang, meanwhile, assured the president listens to the sentiments of Filipinos regarding the ICC.
Yung ganito mga sentimiento po ng ating mga kababayan ay dinidinig naman po ng ating Pangulo. So tignan na lang po natin sa mga susunod na araw kung ano po ang magiging saloobin ng Pangulo sa pag-rejoin sa ICC.
To recall, the Philippine government withdrew from the ICC in 2019 on orders from then-President Rodrigo Duterte. However, Duterte was arrested and brought to the ICC last March over charges of crimes against humanity. In the House of Representatives, ACT Teachers Party List Representative Antonio Tino and Kabataan Party List Representative Reni Co filed a resolution opposing the request for interim release and repatriation of Duterte. Under House Resolution Number 9, Makabayan Bloc insists Duterte's detention and investigation should continue for the sake of achieving justice. Hardy Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.